So hello guys, welcome to channel question and answer. Today I am going to tell you how to block comments on your videos in YouTube. Open YouTube, and from here you have both you have options for both types of comments, good and bad. Now you have to select this icon from here. Now go to YouTube Studio. Now from YouTube Studio you have to go to videos. This will open the list of your videos. I want to remove the comment from this video. So I selected this. Now you have to go to comments. This will show you all the comments on this video. You can reply to the comment. You can like or dislike the comment. You can also, this option is very special. If you click on this option heart, this will give a notification to the subscriber that you have loved his comment. Now in this section menu, there are many options. You can pin this comment to the video. This will be shown, always shown at the top of your video. You can remove this comment. You can report this comment to the YouTube regarding that it is containing something bad. On basis of these five options you can report, and from this hide user from channel. From on enabling this, the user still can give view, but all the views from this user will come in this section help for review. From this section you can choose option whether the comment is to be enabled to the public or not. Always approve comments from this user. You can choose the user to always approve his or her comments if you like their comments. You can also choose a user as a comment moderator. Now there are more options regarding the videos. Now we will go here to upload defaults, then advanced settings. Here we have a option for comments. From here we can enable allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, disable comments. You can choose any one of the four options which you like. Okay, this option will enable for the your future videos which you are going to upload. But for older videos you have to go back to the videos. Now from this you can select all the videos at a time or select a particular video. Now in this arrow, choosing this small arrow, you have option for comments. From this, on clicking the comments, we have this option for our older videos also. Allow all comment, the same options we have here. You can choose any one of the options. I'm going to choose allow all options and update videos. Select I understand the applications of this section and update videos. Here there is a data problem, so you can choose this option and update videos. So I think this video helped you guys a lot. So thank you so much. Like to the channel and please subscribe for more such videos related to tech and some education videos. Thank you so much.